Previously in our last episode...
Shake your ass! Watch yourself! Shake your ass! Show me what you're working with!
And just ahead...
Hanukkah
Tree.
Hanukkah
Tree.
OG Creations is filmed before a live studio audience of two cats. G here from OG Creations. I hope you've all had an amazing Thanksgiving. If anyone still goes to those Black Friday deals,
Smack my bitch up!
I hope you survived, or at least have minimal bruising. Christmas items have been out since August, but it's now, absolutely today, officially the holidays. So be honest, how many times have you listened to Mariah Carey today?
The limit does not exist.
Come true for Christmas.
A little story time. Years ago, our neighborhood hosted a traveling holiday party.
First you gotta put your neck into it. Don't stop, just do it, do it. Then you roll your tongue from the crack back to the front, then you suck it off.
One house would start with cocktails, another would serve appetizers, then soup and salad, main course, dessert, and then coffee and nightcap at another. And of course, wanting to be the welcoming, friendly, and hospitable new neighbors, of course we signed up to do a course. Now we had met most of our neighbors earlier in the year at a party, but this was going to be the first time that we were going to see all of them, and they were all going to be in our home. We live 4 blocks from the center of a private liberal Christian university.
And on the third day, God created the Remington bolt-action rifle so that man could fight the dinosaurs and the homosexuals. Amen.
And most of the members of our street are or were faculty or administrators there. So when they were all welcomed into the house of their newest block members who are gay and Jewish, and only saw a Hanukkah and dozens of tea lights everywhere, we were bombarded with questions.
Where's the Christmas tree?
Why haven't you unpacked yet?
Are all your decorations still in storage?
Why don't you love me?
Where is a Christmas tree?
It was so comical how many times we were asked why the Jews do not have a Christmas tree.
Hanukkah
Tree.
Hanukkah
Tree.
Our holiday home in 2023 is quite different. We still don't have a Christmas tree. We don't even have a Hanukkah bush. Instead, our walls are covered with snowy photos, enough buffalo plaid to make a lumberjack sick, 40 little trees in varying heights that help create an idyllic snowy ski lodge.
I hear those lights.
In fact, when the video drops, I'm probably creating that ski lodge at this very moment. Since this is my first holiday tie-dye of 2023, I wanted to keep it all traditionally. So it's gonna be red and green. Now back this summer, I purchased a number of sell items from Old Navy, and I have this beautiful dark green long-sleeved button-down that was just screaming holiday me. So basically, I'm just gonna wad the fucker up, tie it up with Sinew, bleach the hell out of it, and then apply a couple of shades of jolly holiday red all over it. We should be left with a very Christmassy button-down that you can wear to any holiday event. Now there's some mulled wine upstairs calling my name, so let's get started. Like I said earlier, this is a 100% cotton, slim fit men's button-down in dark green from Old Navy. This is the Geode technique sped up to 3,754%. Just saying, it takes a long fucking time to complete. I gather the material into wadded up small sections and secure it using a waxed thread, known as Sinew. I move down an inch or so and secure it again, I repeat this over and over for hours. Next, a 2-to-1 water to bleach solution is applied and allowed to process for 20 minutes. I transfer it to soak in a 10-to-1 water to peroxide solution for another 20 minutes. It is then rinsed in running cold water for about 10 minutes and then soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes before being set aside for 48 hours until practically dry. I apply liquid dyes in a random pattern over the entirety of the shirt. Here I'm using holly jolly shades of Scarlet and Pomegranate. I flip the shirt over and apply dye to the back of what now looks like intestines. Once I'm happy with the coverage, I set it aside for 48 hours to cure in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all of the soda ash has been removed. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I add it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. A perfect shirt for any holiday event. You can pair it with jeans for a casual gathering, or worn with a bow tie and jacket for a more dreaded and uncomfortable affair. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or just want to leave a comment, make sure to do so in the comment section below. I love responding to everyone. Plus, it really does help with the algorithm for new viewers to find this channel, and that's the whole fucking point. So comment away! As always, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Happy holidays!